welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So students, before starting our class, first I want to tell etiquette. Students, first etiquette, take permission before entering to the office and classroom. So students, whenever you enter your classroom or office, you should take permission. You should say, "May I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am?" So you will ask like this. Next, wish your teachers. Students, when you see your teachers, you should wish them. In the morning, you will say, "Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir." In the afternoon, you will say, "Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am." So you will wish in this way. I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's revise some GK questions. Children, do you know which city is called Orange City? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Very good. Nagpur is known as Orange City. Speak with me. Nagpur is known as Orange City. Next question. How many bones are there in human body? Tell me, what is the correct answer of this question? Very good. There are 206 bones in human body. Speak with me. There are 206 bones in human body. Okay. Children, here is your Hindi homework. In Hindi, you have to write हमारे सहायक के नाम. Now let's read some sight words. Tell me, which sight word is this? Did. Very good. Did. Speak with me. Did. Which sight word is written here? Did. Now see this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? Out. Repeat after me. Out. Now see this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is written on screen? In. In. Which sight word is this? In. Children, here is your maths homework. In maths, you have to write number names from 71 to 90. In our previous classes, we have already learned about the sources of water. Today, we will revise about it once again. Children, we already know water is very important for our life, not just humans, even animals and also plants require water. Now, where all can we find water? Children, water is found in ponds. Do you know spelling of pond? Speak with me. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. River, spelling of river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Speak with me. R-I-V-E-R, river. And lakes. Do you know spelling of lake? Tell me, what is the spelling of lake? L-A-K-E, lake. Speak with me. L-A-K-E, lake. And also sea. Spelling of sea. S-E-A, sea. Repeat after me. S-E-A, sea. Tap. Do you know what is the spelling of tap? T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. And ocean. What is the spelling of ocean? O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Repeat after me. O-C-A-N, ocean. But the question is, where do they get water from? Where it is rain, rain gives water to all of us. It's the rain water which fills in all the lakes, rivers, ocean, etc. Children, you know some of the rain water also seeps into the ground. So there is some water found under the ground and we call it underground water. Children, can we get underground water for our use? Yes, we can. You know, we dig wells, that is deep holes underground to get underground water. Also, hand pumps are used to get underground water. Now, We know rainwater is very useful for us and also precious. So, can we save rainwater? Yes. Children can also help in saving rainwater. How? You can collect rainwater in buckets, barrels, etc. Then, this stored water in bucket, tanks, etc. can be used in various ways, like it can be used for washing your car and clothes, etc. Also, this water can be used for cleaning floors and it can be also used for watering plants. Now you know water is very useful for us. Hence, we should not waste water. You should always turn off the tap after the use. Never leave it open and also never throw waste in water, like this boy is about to throw the waste in the river. This is wrong. We should not do this. Children, let's revise all these spellings once again. Speak with me. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Read this spelling. R-I-V-E-R, river. Speak with me. R-I-V-E-R, river. Look at this spelling. Tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Now see this spelling. Speak with me. S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. Look at this spelling. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Repeat after me. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Read this spelling. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Read this spelling. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Speak with me. L-A-K-E, lake. Children, now you have to revise all these spellings at your home again. Children, now I am going to speak dictation. So I am giving you time till 5 seconds to get ready with your pencil, eraser and notebook. Your time start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Write dictation and today's date in your notebook. Write first word blue. Blue. Write first blue. Next egg. Egg. Children, write first egg. After egg, you will write peacock. Peacock. Write first peacock. Writing must be neat and clean. Now, next word write orange. Orange. After orange, you will write mug. Mug. Write first mug. Now, next word write towel. Write towel. Write first towel. Okay. I hope everyone must have written the dictation in their notebooks. Children, after writing dictation, you will match all your words with these words. Now it's time for homework. What do you have to do in homework? Fill in the missing letters. Children, here are some incomplete words that you have to complete with the help of pictures. So this is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye children.